close-up on this. That's spicy.
It's how you just chew and swallow it. I'm fine. I don't need a drink. I took a pretty big bite.
Hello.
Gotta be loud and enthusiastic.
Why do I have to be loud? No, you know everyone's not loud and obnoxious like you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to Chick-fil-fucking-Lay.
Chick-fil-fucking-Lay.
And it's a little toasty and cold outside, so that means no traction, you know what I'm saying? That means a little drift situation is about to go down.
Tokyo Drift. Who? Oh my god! Stop! No. Oh my god. Warming up the tires.
Making sure we were safe on the road.
Why? Did you just turn it off?
No, I'll turn it back on.
Stop! Oh my god. No, you didn't, you liar. If I die, remember me, guys.
Chill. Today we got Miss Candy up in the car.
Hello.
So we're gonna do a little segment of how did we meet?
God.
Alright, how did we meet?
We met in college. We met at CLC when... Would you like to explain the story?
No, that's not
I have
funny.
to explain it? Oh my god. We met because we wanted to meet new friends and we met from Michelle.
Yo, what's up, boys? Oh, I gotta get this thing straight up. Yo, so we're gonna go start the cars. I think they already started them. It's getting cold. It's time to move them in the warehouse.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills, but 50 for the taste on the bag. I don't really like to brag.
Yeah.
He didn't take me for a fucking ride like he said he was going to.
Hold on, wait. Go. Oh God. Dude, I really don't want to break my arm right now.
Here's the thing. This is the shoulder that I...
Dude, I really don't want to break my arm right now. Like, actually don't want to.
Come on, it's for the content.
Ah! Oh! Okay, go. Holy fuck.
You're like really...
Ah! Duh!
Now let's make sure the camera got the real perspective where you were literally like putting your entire weight
is he
into
trying-
it. Put your pizza in here. I'll give you approval right here, Dave, but I'm glad you kind of had it in mind. Slosh it around a little bit. Well, here, let's get a nice close-up on this. That's spicy.
I don't want to.
It's not that spicy though.
Your Chipotle was fucking spicy, dude.
Make sure you get a good bit. It's not. It's just gonna look like bullshit.
You take a bite.
I don't want that. That's gonna be a little bit hot, but I don't want to I don't want to do it on purpose. But I'll take a. If you want me to take part of it, I'll
Yeah,
take
just
part of
take
it.
take a little bite.
I wasn't gonna do that. It's not that bad. But smack it. Smack it. You got it. You got it for the vlog. You got it. It's not that
That was
bad.
spicy. Zoom in on that. What the fuck? Maybe a little less.
No, stop it. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Just eat it. Just eat it. Come on. Just don't think. Just eat
Why
it.
is your face so red?
Dude, it's not hot.
It's sweet.
It's literally. It's like you'll like see. It's not even. It's not bad. See, it's really not that bad. It's your face. It's how you just chew and swallow it. I'm fine. I don't need a drink. I took a pretty big bite. You don't spit it out. Alex can't handle hot stuff. I got one of the flakes in my tongue. You're good.
Bro, that's not even funny, dude. It's disgusting.
Don't spit it out. Swallow it. Just swallow it.
Ethan has milk in there.
That's not even, never again.
It's not that hot.
It's getting worse.
Yeah, it gets built up. It gets a little bit worse, but you gotta swallow it. You're holding it in your mouth, which is just letting it sit there. You gotta swallow it. You want a little bit more?
He's just gonna straight up fucking box Caleb.
It's not. I ate it right there. It's really not like that hot.
What happened here?
Try a bite. Try some of it, Dave. It's not like in
I ate that whole thing of that, right?
Yeah. Like it's not like it's.
Not going away.
Oh, that's actually really good.
It's not like
What do you mean?
It's not hot.
Nothing about this looks good. It looks like dire fucking Rhea, bro.
It's called devil shit. Get it right.
The cold is making it worse.
Yeah, you're supposed to drink milk.
You're supposed to drink more of it.
I had THC.
Your face. I just really wanted you to try that.
Hey guys, so thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked the short vlog today. That spicy food is still burning up my throat just a little bit. I don't do spicy whatsoever. So thank you guys once again for watching. We don't get vlogs Tuesdays and Thursdays because, you know, I'm in school till like 9:30. So I have nothing to vlog, nothing to show you guys. But comment down below what else you guys want to see. I'm thinking maybe interview my workers, maybe do a little drift vlog when it starts snowing with a couple of my friends. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.